gosh, guys. It is pouring. We're gonna run to the car. Did you guys hear the rain? Listen. Did you ever pull into your driveway? Not want to get out because it's rainy, but also just want to sit here. Sometimes just being on your phone, sometimes just chillaxing, eating maybe some munchies that you have in the car, just listening to the rain, and it feels so good to sit inside your car. You're in no hurry to get out. On the vlog today, we're gonna take a road trip. I've got a few things that I need to get done. I told you guys that I want to paint my dining room. I want to take it from that yellowish plaster old world finish, that very yellowy finish, and I really want to just modernize it just a little bit. I think it will play nicely off the old 1800s dark wood floors, dark oak wainscoting, but yeah, we got to do something about that wallpaper. So we're going to pick out our paint color today. I am looking for the perfect grayish to put in that space. The other fun thing that we're going to do today is go to an antique mall that is filled. I don't even know how big it is. You'll see how big it is once we get there, but it's filled with all kinds of goodies. So we're gonna make a stop there, making sure I have my stuff. I had to do a drop off there today, and oh yeah, we're gonna look around while we're there for sure. All right, let's get out of this driveway. So we got the perfect color. Stay tuned and I'll show you what I picked up. All right, after managing to go the wrong way, you guys know I just moved to this area. After managing to go the wrong way, calling my husband and getting off track, I recircled around and took the long scenic route to get here. But it is worth it. You guys got to see inside this building with me. I'm going to take you inside with me. I'm excited that the Oil City Warehouse Mall is working with us, and they now carry our brand of paint, which is Junk Monkey Paint Company. So I'm actually dropping off a little bit more of the paint supply. They're just getting their setup up and running. So very selfishly, I'm down here today doing a drop off to them, but I also get to go and check out the premises. So they have a little bit of everything. There's new stuff, there's old stuff, there's vendor stuff in here, there's like recycled stuff, upcycled stuff, reclaimed stuff, antiques in here, and it is a ginormous building. So on this beautiful, beautiful rainy day, we're gonna go inside and maybe pick a little bit. Let's see if we find any good stuff today. Who's ready to run between the raindrops? Look at that little chandelier inside there. Isn't that so cool? All right. And that old bike over there. That's fantabulous. When I see places that have stuff like this, yeah, that makes me want to go inside. Oh, look at that wagon wheel that's there. guys, that was a fantastic time. I got to meet the whole crew in there, at least a good portion of the whole crew here at Oil City Warehouse Antique Mall, and all the wonderful things that they have inside. I did find a few cute things, so I will share them with you when we get back at the house, a few little things that I got. We are back home, and it is a rainy night here in Pennsylvania, so a couple finds that I came across today. This was priced for $1. I like that it had a classic black frame on it, glass, and I am going to do a really cool wreath. In fact, if you've been following me on the vlog, we went to the Dollar Tree, we got some cheap little wreaths. Anyhow, I think this will become part of my creation. So I'm going to use this as a layering piece. So keep watching and we will do that DIY together. Next thing I got was a pottery piece, but it's an old crock, so it's a crock. I love it. It was $10, and I think it would be really cool to fill with maybe some greenery, something with sparkly, something for the season ahead. But this definitely is a classic timeless piece to kind of throw some stuff in and decorate with. Hello, echo, echo. And then, yes, I got the beloved cow, guys. I got the beloved cow. If you were on my Facebook Live earlier, you saw when I came across, we'll call her Mabel, when I came across this gorgeous cow creamer. I love her. She's got a little rusty bell. Ain't she the bee's knees? Hello. So, she is a awesome $3 ceramic find for my, she'll become part of my collectibles of creatures. And finally, did I pick a color? Yes, I did. All right, so yeah, I went through lots of colors, and at the end of the day, I went with this color right here. It is called Swirling Smoke. So I'll give you all the intel on that tomorrow. We're gonna work on the dining room. I'll tell you how I picked this fantastic color, and it might inspire you. Maybe you need this color in your life as well. Thank you so much for subscribing to my daily vlog, guys. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Are you excited to see the dining room progress tomorrow? And what'd you think of Mabel? Did you enjoy getting out picking today and just seeing, oh my gosh, look at all the leaves blowing all of a sudden. Holy moly. Hopefully you enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.
No.